guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a ColourPop order to show you. Do you want to see what I ordered and what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I had placed an order on ColourPop and I got a few different things to show you guys. What I'm gonna do is try-ons on them, but I want to show you everything that I bought and do like an unboxing of my ColourPop haul, and so then you can know what I'll be doing. So let's go ahead, and this looks a little raised. I'm hoping nothing is broken inside, which we'll find out. Made in LA and ColourPop. They always do put a whole lot of packaging, which I appreciate when they do come all together. And let's go ahead and dive in and see. Now the first thing right on top is, this is the palette from Blue Moon. This is their new blue palette. And I don't have anything that's all blues, so I thought this would be really cool to do a try on. And the next thing I show you is gonna be definitely stepping out of my comfort zone to show you guys. But here is the outside, and the inside is right there. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna be stepping out of my comfort zone, but I see a whole lot of pretty blue colors. This tide pool, this like teal blue looks so pretty. And then this silver here, Billie Jean. So there is all of the blues, and I cannot wait. I'm not gonna do any swatching or anything on this one, because what I'm gonna do is a full try on of the different ones that I did. And on that one, I will do a try on. I will do the swatches and go over them individually. Right now, I'm just kind of giving you a preview of what I purchased, so you know what to look out for. So there's number one. The next thing that goes along with that, I bought this little trio right here. This comes with the cream gel liner, a volumizing mascara, and a cream gel color. And this is, here we go. So this is the first one that is right on top, and this is the bottom, and this is in the color Prance. This is the cream gel color, and there's the actual color of the balm inside. I have like a lot of thunderstorms going on above my head, Mother Nature at her finest, so please don't pay any attention to what you hear up there. I'm hearing all this. And I do have a black mascara that looks just like this. This is Week of an Eye Volumizing Mascara BFF in Sky High. So this is gonna be blue. I've never used a blue. Look at that. This is what I'm saying. I'm gonna definitely be stepping out of my comfort zone when I do this set. And then it comes with a blue eyeliner. And look at the color, you guys. It is literally blue. So this day that I do this particular try on, I'm going to be using the blue eyeliner, the blue mascara. I'm going to be using the blue palette. This I'm not quite sure. I don't know if I will use this or not. And then it also came with this glitterly obsessed. And this is a body glitter. So the palette didn't come with it, but these came in a set together right here. Or maybe, you know what? I think I got the set that had all of this together. I think that's what I did do. I did do. And let's see here. Ooh, I always smell everything. There's the inside. So I'll probably pop some glitter like on my lower lid of the blue that I put on. I don't know, I'm really excited. This is in You're a Firework. That's the color of this one. You're a Firework. And so there's the glitter obsession. I'm really liking ColourPop, you guys. So that is gonna be one look that I do for you. Complete try on, complete testing, swatches, all of that good stuff. The next day, or on a different day, I'm going to be doing this palette right here, which this is the Zodiac. Now, I was gonna get just the Scorpio because I saw the Scorpio single shadow, and then I saw they had the whole palette. I'm like, psh, I'll get the whole palette. So it's not just one single shadow. I got the whole entire palette. And there is the outside of the packaging. So pretty, look at that. Chow. There's the back. Again, just gorgeous packaging. And the inside, yay, nothing is broken so far. There is the inside of all of the colors with the Zodiac signs. So I cannot wait to use this, you guys. I can see different looks being with the mauves and the browns, and you have like the other goldish tones, you have the blues, the teal. So this can be multi-look, so I love that. And then to go with that particular one, I got, of course, I had to get my sign in the lipstick, you know, because I am a Scorpio. So here is the packaging of just the actual lipstick itself. There's a scorpion. And this is Scorpio Moon is the color. Mother Nature's going to town up there. Here is the actual packaging by itself. And the color is right there. I think that's gonna be so pretty. I think that's actually gonna be so pretty. I'm starting to kind of like more lip products, you guys. So this will be another day try on and full swatches. So that'll be day 2 when I get to it. Then the third day, I went ahead and bought the Give Me More and Give It To Me Straight. So the Give It To Me Straight is an eyeshadow palette. There is the actual packaging right there. There's the back and the colors. Ooh, these are so pretty. There's the colors of them. And that's like the colors that I always tend to grab, is more of like the burgundies and the mauves. That's like what I normally grab. So here's the Give It To Me Straight palette with the Give Me More. This is the highlighting palette. This is a bright orange, you guys. I thought they would kind of match the colors, but I like your face. Thanks. There's the outside or the back side, and then the actual colors. And I don't have any highlighters other than my whole Disney, I have the whole Disney Villains collection, and those have highlighters in all of them. Why did I not think of that? But other than that, I don't have any other ColourPop highlighters. So here's an actual palette of the different highlighters. There's that. And then the last item that I bought for try-ons would be, here is a lip liner. And this says Lippy Pencil. This is in the color Lumiere 19F4. And I don't know, I think I'll probably use this with the, maybe I'll use this with my Zodiac, because that kind of looks like it would be a good color with it. I'm not sure, but there is the color of that. Is this, do you sharpen it? Is this a pencil? It's gotta be, because I don't see where you make it come out. So you must sharpen it. I'm not sure. Never had one of these before from them. So there we have that. Then the last item in my purchase, which I'm actually really excited about. Not really makeup, but it's skincare. It had me at watermelon. Once I saw watermelon, I'm like, wait, what is that? What is that? Fourth Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Milk. I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know what it is for, but they had me at watermelon, so I had to buy it. It says the good stuff, watermelon seed oil, known to help restore moisture while also balancing skin. Bamboo milk is known to hydrate and condition skin. Cucumber water supports healthy hydrated skin, and aloe is known to replenish hydration and soften skin. Watermelon face milk is a refreshing drop of moisture to balance skin. Formulated with watermelon seed oil, bamboo milk, cucumber water, and aloe, this lightweight formula will replenish hydration for a healthier, softer complexion. The routine: Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use as needed. Cruelty-free. Need face milk. So there is the actual packaging. Let's open it and see. And again, once I saw watermelon, I'm like, wait, what? So it opens like that. There's the product inside. What does it say? No secrets, no surprises, no BS. You can trust us. We formulate effective skincare that delivers brag-worthy, tell all your friends it's life-changing results that are made simply with 100% cruelty-free vegan ingredients. We are Fourth Ray Beauty. It's watermelon milk season every season. How cute. The packaging is really cute. So this is what it actually looks like. And it has the dropper, and let's see what it looks like up here. Ooh, all right, let me smell it. Oh, I do smell watermelon / cucumber mixed together. So I can't wait to try this out and see how this does and what it does and all of that. So again, that is everything that I bought in my ColourPop haul. So we have the watermelon milk, we have the Give Me More highlighter palette, Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette. We have the Zodiac palette with my Zodiac sign lipstick, Scorpio. And then I got the lip pencil, and then the whole little blue moon kit here. So comment down below which one would you want to see first, because I normally only do my try-ons normally on Sundays, my only day off. So I kind of can't do these all on the same day. I did that with the Villains palette, and my eyes got busted underneath because there was what, 6 or 7 different like looks that I did that one day. So let me know, which one do you want to see first? Do you want to see the whole blue moon? Do you want to see the blue moon first? Do you want to see the Zodiac, or do you want to see the Give It To Me Straight? Comment down below, you guys. Let me know which order you would like to see these in, and I will make it happen, Captain. So thank you so much for tuning in and seeing what I purchased. Again, I purchased these to show you guys. So let me know which one you want to see first, but I will make all 3 of them happen for you guys, and then you can see the actual swatches and see the full review, my try on, and what my real thoughts are of all of them. So I can't wait to do that and show you guys. Yeah, one thing I do want to let you guys know, if you have noticed, a lot of you guys are now commenting saying, I noticed your new tattoo, or you're asking about the plastic that was on it. I do want to let you know, if you guys are interested. If you're not interested in this, then you feel free to X out now, because that's all I'm going to talk about, and then I'll be done. But I did get a new tattoo over a week ago. What I do put on it is called Saniderm. Saniderm is like a plastic-like substance that you put on. It's like a newer thing to put on tattoos. It was mainly designed to put on like burn victims, and it covers the complete area. Somehow it breathes underneath it, and it keeps it completely sanitary so it can heal completely underneath the plastic paper stuff, whatever that stuff is called. It's Saniderm, but it's like a plastic-like material, I guess you want to say. So what you do is, the first time you get your tattoo, they always wrap it with cellophane and they call it a day. You get home, you clean it very well. What I use to clean it is with just Dial soap, just no fragrance, just disinfectant soap with no other extra stuff in it. That's why I always just use Dial. I keep it underneath the sink. Anytime I get tattoos, I bust it out, and that's what I clean it with. So I clean my hands first, I clean it really good, I rinse it really good, I pat it dry, let it dry completely. Once it dries completely, then I put the Saniderm on it. I leave that on for 24 to 48 hours, depending on how much plasma and ink leaks through it. Then I change it, put a new one on it. If more plasma starts leaking through, I'll change it one more time. But the initial, once it stops leaking, I'll leave that one on for an entire week. Sometimes I'll change it and leave it on for an additional 3 to 5 days, depending on how big it is, how it's healing, how it's doing, that kind of thing. The first time I heard about Saniderm is when I got, my locket and key right here. That company put it on there. I'm like, what is that stuff? And he kind of told me, he gave me one to take home. I then immediately went online and I bought a roll for myself. That's what I used for my neck. That's what I used for here. And I told myself I will not get another tattoo without using Saniderm. I've had so many tattoos. They scab up, they peel, the color comes out, and they end up looking like crap at the end. So Saniderm, what it does, it literally makes it heal 100% underneath. It does not scab up. It does not lose its coloration. It doesn't scar or anything. So this is completely healed now, and it's been about a week and a half. I just took the Sanoderm off last night. So yesterday I did a few videos, and you'll still see the plastic, I think, on one more video that I haven't loaded yet. But now you won't see the plastic on anymore. It is 100% completely healed. It is not going to peel. It is not going to scab. It is not going to do anything else. It is now 100% perfectly fine. So I know a lot of you go like, hey, why do you have plastic on your arm? Hey, did you just get that new tattoo? Hey, what do you use? I felt that this would be better to tell you guys exactly what it is that I do. I thought about doing a video of the Sanoderm, how I take it off, how I put it on, but now I don't need it on anymore. So maybe on my next tattoo that I get, I will do a full review of the Sanoderm. But if you ever do get it, it's easier to take it off with water running. When you take a shower, it's supposed to be waterproof, but when you take a shower, when the water hits like the edges, it tends to break away. So try to keep it out of the water as much as possible. Obviously, it's impossible to keep it 100% dry. But as soon as you get out of the shower, dry that first, push everything back. It'll kind of seal a little bit. You might have to cut away the edges that end up lifting. If you noticed on my video yesterday, I had a little piece that was lifted up just because it like lifted up in the shower and nothing I can do about it. But as long as everything else is down, you cannot have any creases. You cannot have any bubbles. If you have a bubble, you need to put a little piercing hole, get all that air out, and then patch it. It's very, very important that there's no creases, no bubbles, or anything like that in it, because it has to be 100% completely sealed and perfect for it to do what it needs to do. So I just wanted to explain it to everybody who was curious, who was wondering or anything like that. It's so much easier to explain it verbally than to try to sit here and write a message to all of you guys to let you know. So that's what it is. It's Sanoderm. And it is amazing. I will not get another tattoo without it. I've already bought an additional roll because there's so many other tattoos that I want to get done or have fixed or covered up or anything like that. So I wanted another roll. This time I bought a bigger roll. So I'm good to go for a while. So maybe next time if you guys want to see that, let me know. And when I get my next tattoo, I could do a review and show you guys like how I put it on, how I change it. If you're interested, let me know and then I will make it happen on my next one. Like I said, I thought about it a little too late. Plus I didn't know if it's something you guys would want to see, but let me know and I would. But that is the moon phase with the galaxy. There is little tiny stars on there as well, if you can see the little white little dots. I'm absolutely in love with my new tattoo, you guys. I'm loving it and how he went in the middle. He brought it into here because I didn't want negative space. So I wanted the galaxy brought into here to kind of match. And my skin tone is so perfect for color and my skin takes color very, very well. So I'm just so glad, especially using that Sanoderm. This is just beautiful. It's gorgeous and it is done. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Again, if you do want me to do a review on the Sanoderm on the next time, let me know. And again, tell me which one of these you guys want me to do first so I know which one to do for you guys and I will make it happen. So thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it if you just stick around and see the videos that I do upload for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.